Good morning, students. This session is for base font tag and font tag learning or tutorial. So we will know about how to use base font and what is the result of that and what is the use of font tag and the attributes of font tag we are going to know in this tutorial. So as you know, that we have to start whenever we want to create an HTML document. We have to start or we have to create an HTML document in word processor, and word processor means either word processor means to say WordPad or Notepad. So we will start here Notepad. We can start like this. This is the first way, and another way maybe there like this. Here we can see Notepad. We will see over here, and because I have typed before the document, I have created the document because of the length of the video. So let's start. What is the code? So this is the code you will see over here. As we know that we have to start from HTML. These are the basic and fundamental tags which are required to create an HTML document. Here we will know about base font. I have given the title, assigned the title base font, because we are going to know about base font tag. So let's start. HTML head, title, base font, title close, then head close, then body we have to start. And this is the text. Good morning, dear students. This is another sample web page which will be demonstrating the use of text formatting tools. Here we have assigned here, you can see this BR tag. BR tag for breaking the line or one space will be there. This is a sample web page which will give you a clear view of how the web page could look in its default form and how it would look if the base font tag is applied. This tag is being displayed in default font size. Like here we can see base font size is the attribute of base font size equal to 5. This text is being displayed with a font size of 5. 5 size will be there. If again we are using base font size equal to +2, then the text will be relatively 40% bigger size than the earlier one. If we are using +2, then 40%, +1, then 20%. Base font size equal to -1 if we are using, then this text is relatively 20% smaller than the earlier one. Now we are going to see the result of it in the web browser. So first we have to save it. I have already saved it in a particular location, and the location is this. Now we will see the result. This is the result. You will see. I will double click on this, and the result will be before you, as it has been described in the video also. You can see over here. Good morning, dear students. This is another web page, and BR tag we have used, and you can see all these things over here. Now the next thing is there. We are going to see, that is another tag which we have used, and that tag is font tag. How we will use font tag? Font tag is used to change the appearance and look of the font, style, color, size, everything which we are going to type in our web page. So here what we have done, let us see. Now you can see over here. Good morning, dear students. This is another sample web page which will be demonstrating the use of some more text formatting tools. Base font is also one of the text formatting tool, and font is also the text formatting tool. This is the default view of the text. This text will be default view, and now we are going to change the font of the text. What? Font size is the attribute of font tag. Color, face, all these are attributes of font tag. Font size we want 4, color we want red, face we want means font style we want Algerian. We can change it, and whatever the color we should color suit for us, we can change it as per the requirement. Now we will see the result of it. What is the result? Result is given over here. I will double click on this and the result will be before you. Now you can see over here. And again, we have to take the code. What code we have taken? Up to here, you can see, up to here, we have used no font tag. So this is the default view. This one is the default view of text. But as we will see here, the text color is red, size is 4, and the font is Algerian, which we have given in it. Now you can see font size equal to 4, color equal to red, face equal to Algerian. Now if we will change over here in this tag and attributes, if we will change, then definitely the changes will be seen over here. Now I am showing you the changes. Suppose I will do here 6, then definitely the size will be different. Control S, and now you can see size is different, size is 6. And one more thing you can see, we have assigned here, red, but here if I will change it into green, then the color will be green. Now you can see the color is green. So in this way we can change Algerian. This is the font style. Here we can change from Algerian to Cambria. These are fonts, Control S, and then we will see the changes. This is Cambria, you can see over here. And in this way, you can use anywhere the font tag. If you want to change the size of the text, color of the text, and face of the text, then in this way, you can use it. Thank you and have a nice day.